Ladies and gentlemen, how's it going? Once again, I'm Crypto Nev, and today we're looking at a curious piece of technology, old school technology. Technology is a cruel mistress, and just like so many telephone trunk operators that have been eliminated by it, photography has definitely been eliminated. And as times change, things change. Technology advances, and the old gets left behind. And most of the time, the old is never worth anything. This is one of those such cases. The Kodacolor processing kit C22 was superseded in the 70s by a processing kit of some other kind. I happen to get a really old collection. It's time to open it up. This thing isn't worth anything. I can't find anyone interested in it. So, I'm going to open her up and see what's inside. Yeah, it's like most fishing cans. That's just how you get it out. Tuna cans, sorry. Sardines? Yeah, sardines. Something, anyways. Dang. Open says me. Number 1. Oh, I guess that's kit number 1. Let's see what we got in here. Oh yeah, some tablets. Take these when you're feeling down, kids. Process. Oh, I can smell the chemicals on that. Process 22, developer, for photographic purposes. Doesn't exactly say what it is, just says it's part A. That can be pretty dangerous. Okay. Interesting. Let's see what this is. I see some people being like, no, don't open that. It's something you shouldn't be opening. Man, oh, the chemical smell just really hits me. I might have to put this outside. Oh, okay, so some kind of powder. Alright, I don't need to open that anymore. Powder. Okay. Let's see what number 2 is. It is stinky. I got more powder. Wait, did we have 2 or 3 in the last? I think we had 2. Okay. Almost seems like the exact same stuff. I almost wonder if you'll be able to use this stuff again. No, it's definitely... Wow. Some of this stuff is almost completely empty. Like, oh yeah, that's the stuff we got. Stop bath. Poison process 22. It's like it evaporated out of the box. And that's more powder, so I don't want to mess with that. Processing kit. Proceso kito. Tell us what all the chemicals are. Interesting stuff. Gonna put this by so anyone interested can pause it. Whew, it's a bit stinky. Like, not overwhelmingly, but I think I might have to put that in the garage. Kind of smells like matches. Sorry, I'm going a bit quick for this. I really want to put this stuff in the garage now. Okay. Well, that's all she wrote. Now I'm gonna go put this in the garage till I take it to my old man who likes this kind of stuff. Lots of crazy people these days. Anyways, thanks for listening, guys. Catch you later. Take care of each other.